Quadratic formula, discriminant. So my question is to determine the equation 5x squared plus 6 plus k equals 0. Determine two positive values of k for which this equation has two rational roots. So my first step is usually write down the givens. So 5x squared plus 6x plus k equals 0. With that, I write the a, b, and c, what it equals. So a equals 5, b equals 6, and c equals, what was that, k. With that, I also write on the side the discriminant, the formula for it. So it will go right here. Discriminant. B2 minus 4 AC, which, let's just plug in the letters. So it'll be 6 squared minus 4 times 5 times k. And by the looks of it, it looks like it's greater than 0. Now let's just do this equation. So 6 squared is 36, and minus 4 times 5 is minus 20. K is greater than 0. So since we're trying to find k, we need to move the 36 over so that k is it by itself. So just bring the 36 over, past that 0, and think of the 0 as an equal sign. So from here we got minus 20k. Let's just change this into an equal sign. Equals minus 36. And we want to get rid of the 20, so we divide the minus 20k by itself plus the 36 minus 20. And with that, we get, what is that? K equals 1.8. If you don't believe me, calculate that cush on your calculator. You got 1.8. And now, since we figured out that k is 1.8, we have to do the discriminant again, but with the k we substitute it with a 1.8. So let's do this again. 6 squared minus 4 times 5 times 1.8, and we get this. It's 36, right? 36 minus, when you get this calculation down, it's minus 36 or negative 36. So that equals 0. And when we equal 0, that means we get one real root. So that is one real root. Bam. Now we have to continue with this. So bear with me. Alright. Now let's continue discriminant. So the other form, well, not the other form, the continued form, I guess, is minus b square root of, what's that, b squared minus 4ac. And since we know that we did this already, it equals 0. So it's minus 6 for 0. Damn, I forgot. You have to add 2 and 8. And since a is 5, it becomes minus 6, or plus minus 0 over 5. Sorry, 10. And since 0 is already a square root of 0, it should cancel out, which leaves it to minus 6 over 10. And you can simplify that to minus 3 over 10. Sorry, 5 minus 3 over 5. And since there's no square roots, there is real no plus and minus. So I think that the question to find two positive roots was a trick, because you can't find two positive square roots when there is no square root. And so my answer is that. Thank you.